Welcome to the Creative World Tour. Today we're starting our journey in Africa, a continent full of rhythm, color, and powerful stories. Join Leo, Maya, Zara, Rio, and Nia as they discover the beauty of African art, drumming, dancing, and storytelling. Are you ready to unlock your creativity? Our friends arrive in a lively African village surrounded by colorful huts, bustling markets, and the distant sound of drums echoing through the air.
Do you hear that? It's like the whole village is alive with music.
Look at those patterns on the walls. They're so bright and beautiful.
And everyone looks like they're ready to dance. Let's join them.
The village elder, Mama Ayo, greets them with a warm smile.
Welcome to our village. Here, we use art to tell our stories, to celebrate life and connect with each other. Let me show you the rhythm of the continent.
Mama Ayo leads the friends to a circle of drummers under a large baobab tree. The drums come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique sound.
Drumming is the heartbeat of Africa. It's how we celebrate, send messages, and bring people together.
This is my kind of art. Let me try.
Leo picks up a small djembe drum and begins tapping out a rhythm. Mama Ayo guides him, showing how to vary the beats to create music that moves people.
Good, Leo. Feel the rhythm and let it flow through you.
The others grab drums and join in, laughing as they create their first group rhythm.
It's like we're speaking a language without words. I love this.
The sound of the drums attracts dancers from the village, who begin to move gracefully to the rhythm. Zara watches in awe.
Dance is my favorite art form. Can you teach us your moves?
Of course. Our dances tell stories of love, bravery, and unity. Watch and follow along.
The friends join the dancers, learning to step, twirl, and clap in time with the drum beat. Zara quickly picks up the moves, adding her own flair.
This is harder than it looks, but it's so much fun.
As they dance, they realize that movement can be just as expressive as words, telling stories that connect everyone around them. After the dance, Mama Ayo gathers the friends around a fire, where villagers are sharing folk tales. She explains the importance of storytelling.
Stories are how we pass down our history, our values, and our dreams. Everyone has a story to tell. Let's create one together.
Mama Ayo begins the tale, and each friend adds their part. Maya describes a magical rainbow. Nia adds a wise lion. Rio creates a brave hero. Zara imagines a hidden treasure. And Leo adds a thunderous storm to the mix.
Our story has everything: adventure, courage, and creativity.
And you've shown how art brings people together. Each of you added your voice, just like the drums and dance.
To remember their time in the village, Mama Ayo helps the friends make their own mini drums. They use paint, beads, and natural materials to decorate them, making each drum unique.
This is so cool! I'll use my drum to keep the rhythm alive back home.
And I'll paint everything I saw today. The colors, the people, and the energy.
I can't wait to write about our adventure in my journal.
As the sun sets, the friends gather with the villagers for one last performance. They drum, dance, and tell stories under the starry sky, feeling the power of creativity and connection.
Remember, art is a gift that you carry with you wherever you go. Use it to bring joy, understanding, and beauty to the world.
Thank you, Mama Ayo. This has been the best adventure ever.
With smiles on their faces and drums in their hands, the friends wave goodbye, ready for the next chapter of their Creative World Tour.
ArtzyKidz.